Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change a photo in the resume templates on Canva. So if you want to create a resume, you can use the Canva templates. But as you guys can see here, on the templates, there are like a stranger photo in here. So I'm going to show you how you can change the photo into your own photo. So first, just choose the templates that you want to use. For example, I want to use this ones right here. Click on the resume. Now click on the customize this template. Okay, so now the template is open and you guys can see here these photos. I'm going to change it into the photo that I have here. So if you haven't uploaded your photo, you need to go to upload, then click on the upload files and choose your photos. So for example, I'm going to just upload a photo first. Okay, I'm going to just use these photos as an example. Click on open. And now after it has been successfully uploaded to Canva, click on the photo to add it to the templates. And now just drag the photo into the frame like this. And you can adjust the position by double click on the photo and drag it like that, or you can also crop it as you like. And after that you are done, the photo will be changed. And furthermore, you can just edit the resume templates to your own informations. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.